You'll love this easy guacamole for two recipe. It only uses 7 ingredients and it's super simple to make. It's creamy and zesty and oh gosh, just so good. So my son Michael perfected this recipe, small batch recipe. And so we're gonna watch as he prepares the garlic by peeling it and chopping it. He's gonna chop it super thin. He's going to move that finely chopped garlic to a bowl, and then he's going to start on the Anaheim pepper. Let's add some cilantro, about a handful. And now let's work on the avocado. First thing you're going to do is slice open the avocado. Twist it, take your knife, gently jam it into that pit, and then you can pull it, twist and pull it out. Now just use a spoon to scoop out the inside of the avocado. I like to use red onion for this particular recipe, so we're going to chop some of the red onion up. Great way to get some good lime flavor into the guacamole is to use zest. So make sure you zest your lime before you juice it. Now it's time to season it. I like to use salt and cumin to bring out the flavor in this guacamole. Now let's do some mashing. You can use a fork or you could even use a potato masher. I like to use a fork so that you still get some of that chunky guacamole, but it's up to your preference how you want it. Now it's time to test and adjust the seasoning as needed.